Bullets, bullets, bullets. I just don't like bullets. There's so much more to e-learning, and to PowerPoint for that matter, than bullets and animated text. One of the big things that I want you to get out of this course is not to use anything that's not absolutely needed for good e-learning or for good learning to take place. So if I have such a problem with bullets, why PowerPoint? The very first thing that you see when you create a slide is the option to have bullets. Well, the reason I selected PowerPoint is that most of us have it either at home or at work, and it's relatively easy to use. You can add graphics and simple animations fairly easy. E-learning created with PowerPoint means you don't have to have any licensing fees for major software, which is very expensive. And those new to e-learning may be unaware of the time and cost attached to updating online training content. So using PowerPoint can make maintenance much easier. You know, it's a shame that PowerPoint is so often badly used or even underused, because it can be so much more than a presentation tool or even an online learning tool. Using PowerPoint with some imagination and patience, you can create interesting, engaging online learning with meaningful interactivity. There's quite a few examples in Chapter 1 of our textbook in Better Than Bullet Points. I encourage you to look at those so that you'll be able to get some ideas of how that interactivity can take place. There's a process that one goes through as you develop learning, and especially e-learning. And all this is good training design. The first thing you want to do is identify your learners. Identify your objectives. You might want to adapt an existing classroom program, and then select whatever strategies you need to make the truly engaged learning. What treatments are you going to apply? You would need to develop the interface. Adding any art and text, any animation that you might need. Obviously, interactive plays a big part in developing good e-learning. And there might be some add-ons such as documents and external products, job aids, those types of things. Obviously, you're going to add narration and any other multimedia that you deem appropriate. At times, depending upon the platform of delivery, you're going to convert it to Flash or other media, and then finally upload it to the web. Or in our case, we're going to use PowerPoint as our menu system for our training. And then finally, there is a launch. As you consider all of these, you want to test your product every time that you complete a step to make sure that that you're moving in the right direction. So by using PowerPoint, we're going to move beyond the bullets, as the book title says, into new ways of thinking about PowerPoint-based e-learning. Success in applying this material isn't a matter of technical wizardry, as you can see as we go through some of the PowerPoint scenarios. It takes patience and creativity and a willingness to experiment.